Hi, good morning, good afternoon, whatever day or time it is that you all are viewing my video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. My name is Christina Hale. I will be applying for the position of assistant principal for your campus. Now, I know from experience, you guys look for signs as you're watching these videos. So I hope as you're watching my video, you see some signs that I would be the best candidate for your campus. A little bit about myself. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Why is she in a closet? And there is a good reason, and that is because I am not hiding from my amazing boss, but rather I am the campus test coordinator. But to go back to a little bit of myself, let me tell you about my journey with EPISD. I can't think of a time that EPISD has not been a part of my life, and we are talking decades. Just how many decades, ladies and gentlemen, I will never tell because I'm not going to reveal my age, but I can tell you it's been decades for myself from the age of 4 to graduation, my children currently attending and have already graduated EPISD campuses to employment. I began my journey with EPISD 18 years ago, unofficially, 13 officially. The reason I say unofficially is my first 5 years with EPISD was actually as a daily long-term substitute in the ISS alternative classroom at Charles Middle School. I fell in love with education. I knew I wanted to be in the classroom and make an impact on students. So I decided to pursue my teaching certification. While doing that, I also looked for permanent employment, thus beginning my 13-year journey with EPISD. And that began with a truant officer position, followed by student outreach specialist with the Alpha Initiative team, followed by finally making it into the classroom as a U.S. history teacher, 8th grade at Nolan Richard Middle School for 3 years. Working together with my department and my colleagues, we were able to come in second highest campus in the district as far as STAR scores, and third as far as U.S. history STAR scores for the district. I was ready to make the jump into something a little bit more challenging, and I took on the role of a campus test coordinator, which I currently still hold at Bassett Middle School. I was 50-50 funded. I was a classroom teacher and the campus test coordinator. Being in the classroom there, I received many recognitions. We received state recognition for our social studies scores. I was a mentor teacher as well as campus teacher of the year 2 years ago. So lots of good stuff coming out of there. I am currently at Captain Gabriel Navarrete Middle School, which is a combination of Armendariz Middle School and Bassett Middle School. We are currently educating 900 brilliant students here at this campus. Being in charge of testing, I am responsible for interim testing, STAR testing, TELPAS testing, STAR All 2 testing. Now, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I've been asked to discuss with you my leadership style. I can't think of one, like, just straight one, because during the day we wear so many hats throughout the day. I can tell you I bring the heart of an educator and parent into everything that I do, meaning I understand that we are nurturers, we are counselors, sometimes nurses, we're cheerleaders, we're role models, we're mediators, we're negotiators. But of all things, we are lifelong learners, and that is what we are trying to create in the classroom. I can't think of any administrator, teacher, or parent who has ever wanted a student to fail in the classroom. Oh my goodness, hold on, guys. Okay, so let me get back to my video, ladies and gentlemen. Very quickly, that happens to me every 15 minutes. I have to adapt, overcome for success. Same thing we do in the classroom. I look forward to meeting with you guys momentarily, but just know if I had to pick a leadership style, I would say participatory, because I'm all about building capacity, working together with groups, motivating, supporting, both inside the classroom and outside the classroom.